The forearm to instep movement is a great way to work on full body range of motion as well as activation in the shoulders and the hips. You're going to start by getting down on forward to like a lunge position. Then you put your hands down, both hands on the same side of whatever leg is forward. So if my left leg is forward, both of my hands go to the right of that leg in line with my instep, hence the name forearm to instep, okay? Hands down on the floor. I'm going to take my other leg and put it back, keeping my knee off the floor. I'm going to push my heel back and create tension in my heel going up to my hip. From here, the inside leg, the inside arm, the arm that's on the same side as the front leg, I'm going to take my elbow and try to put my elbow down to my instep. Then I'm going to take that same arm, open myself up like a book while I'm maintaining position here. Hold that for a second. Then I put my back knee on the ground and I can lean into stretching my hamstring at the same time. Okay, that is the different positions of the forearm to instep. You can switch legs, do the other side, same thing, keeping this foot forward. The idea is here is to keep your shin up and down, so I'm not stretching like this. I'm also not way here in my toes with my heel off the ground. All the weight should be in my heel, my shin is vertical, my hand is next to my foot. Okay, I keep that back knee off the ground slightly, front arm down to the ground, and then up in the air. In this up in the air position, you want to make sure that you don't lift your hips up. Keep your hip down in the same position as when you started. Back knee on the floor, forward, stretch this hamstring, get that stretch back here, and then you're done.